Hi guys, welcome to today's video on a No Frills Canada grocery haul for $42.92. We're going to start off with chicken hot dogs that were $2.47 a pack, as well as the hot dog buns that were $2.47 each as well. My mom also wanted to get vandika, which is frozen okra sliced, and that was $1.77 a bag. Chopped spinach, no name, 97 cents a package. Bananas, 57 cents a pound. Lemons were 57 cents each. Also got some oranges for 97 cents a pound. Found some chickpeas on sale for 77 cents a tin. My mom likes this yogurt, stirred fruit at the bottom, and that was 77 cents a tin. Also ended up trying out a new Tim Hortons coffee. It was regular price $7.99, but price matched at Metro for $6.99. We ended up getting a 10-pound bag of red onions for $4.97. And last but not least, we ended up getting the roaster for $9.97, which we weren't going to get because of space. However, Thanksgiving and Christmas is around the corner, so it would be great for cooking hams and turkeys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.